good board, Akbar have a good board, Renny have a good board, as well as Killer. Killer is the board that we have been waiting here to see, and we have seen it. Nevertheless, the race them had a little critics inside, but I think at the end of it, the result was true. And that only brings out the complaint and observer to back the ability in this sport. So gentlemen, I want to thank everybody who come out to support at Sherry Street as well as Bedroom. I want to thank as well a sponsor, one sponsor who had made some refreshment possible. Mr. Dave from the USA, right? He gave a sponsor the refreshment from yesterday to today. I want to thank him for his team as well for traveling on 2 occasions to come and support as well. I must compliment these compliments despite of all the critics that they're having. They're doing a great job, and these are the compliments we have selected with the knowledge, wisdom, and experience with board. We elect Mikel, Chansey, Chanel, myself. We have also Pill, which I haven't seen perform in the past 2 days. But I just want to say thank you to everybody who made this event possible. It was a collective effort, and without the participants, it wouldn't have been possible. So I would like to congratulate Akbar firstly in the final, despite the lose. Better luck next time, Akbar. And we'd like to congratulate the ISIS boss.
We there.
Iga, man. Iga. The ISIS. Yeah. He has declared as the champion of the 4-board, first leg of the 4-board competition. So we have $100,000 here to Mr. ISIS boss, Renny Melville. Congratulations, sir. And I think there is an agreement with this money so that the team can have something for the man and the loser.
Check the money from
So, let me hear it. Yeah, but remember we got the Coke man, right?
One shot.
Check the money from Well, alright, we have 20 years off to contribute to the guys that are going to be going supporting the event. So thank you guys for supporting once again. We can have many more races like this.